Here I have JAECOO 5, and on this example let me show you how to disconnect phone, how to disconnect the Apple CarPlay and forgot the paired phone on the JAECOO infotainment system. So at the very beginning, let's start, for example, by using the Apple CarPlay. First of all, you need to exit this system. So let's use this JAECOO button. And now you can use the JAECOO system. Select here the settings. In settings, you need to go to the last page, which is device manager. And here you can disconnect and remove the phone. As you can see, in my case, under Apple CarPlay, I've got my paired phone. Let's use this remove button. And if you would like to really disconnect the CarPlay with this phone, let's tap OK. And that's it. As you can see now, if you go back here and try to use the Apple CarPlay, you will need to add a new device. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.